Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you how to do lamp liva but in my own way. So I hope you guys like it. Let's go right into the video. So these are the ingredients I used for my recipe: 1 kilo lamp liva or any kind liva you want, 2 tomatoes, half green capsicum, half yellow capsicum or any color of capsicum you want, 4 garlic cloves, 1 large onion, coriander and parsley. Sorry guys, but my camera wasn't recording when I put the onion, so you just have to add it first, give it time to fry, and then start the other ingredients. So I hope you guys liked the video. If so, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye!